Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix a broken zipper head. First, let's assess the damage. It's important to determine if your zipper head is completely detached or just misaligned on its track. Take a close look at the zipper teeth themselves. Sometimes, a bent or missing tooth can be the culprit. Also, knowing if you have a coil, plastic, or metal zipper will guide your repair approach. This initial check saves time and ensures you choose the right fix. If your zipper head has completely come off, don't worry, it's often a simple fix. Grab a pair of needle nose pliers. You'll want to gently open the bottom zipper stop, just enough to create a small gap. Then, carefully slide the zipper head onto both sides of the zipper tape, starting from the very bottom. Once it's on, use your pliers to gently crimp that bottom stop back into its original, secure position. This should hold it firmly. Sometimes the zipper head is still attached, but the teeth just aren't lining up. This often happens when the zipper gets snagged. First, find the exact spot where the teeth are misaligned. Gently pull the fabric apart on both sides of the zipper to separate those stubborn teeth. Then, slowly guide the zipper head over the separated section. You might need to do this a few times, applying gentle pressure until all the teeth interlock smoothly again. Patience is key here. If your zipper head is bent, broken, or simply won't function, replacement is the best option. You'll need to find a new zipper head that matches your old one in both size and type. Carefully remove the old head by gently prying open either the top or bottom stop with your pliers. Once the old one is off, slide the new zipper head into place. Finally, use your pliers to securely crimp the stop back down, ensuring the new head stays put. It's a straightforward swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.